And we are live! Hello mga kakwento, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are tuning in. To those who are watching or will watch the replay later, thank you, thank you, thank you. Welcome back to another episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago, where we keep it real about life, change, and growth, one coffee at a time. So ako po si Laurie, a former OFW, a mother of two, the face behind Life with Lure business page, and now a proud digital business owner. So let me ask you, have you ever felt like you're giving so much but receiving so little? Parang ikaw lang yung nauunang mag-adjust, magbigay, mag-sacrifice, pero in the end, parang option ka lang. So tonight, we're going to talk about something powerful, knowing your worth and protecting your space. Because less is for leftovers. Ikaw, mga kakwento, you are the main dish. So, a lot of times we settle without even realizing. We settle for friendships that drain us, relationships that don't honor us, jobs that don't value us. And we convince ourselves, okay na to, at least may something. Pero isipin mo, why are you settling for scraps when you are born to sit at the main table? So let me be clear. Boundaries are not walls. Thank you for the like, Mansing Patwal, and for watching. So, boundaries are not walls. Hindi ibig sabihin yon you're closing people out. Boundaries are self-respect. There are invincible lines that says, this is what I deserve. This is how I should be treated. This is how much I value myself. So when you don't have boundaries, you allow people or situations, even your own fears, to keep you small. Pero when you protect your space, when you say no to what doesn't serve you, suddenly things begin to align. So I've seen this in life and in business. When I started setting boundaries, like how I spend my time, who I surround myself with, what opportunities I said yes to, mas naging clear yung direction ko. And guess what? The right people and the right opportunities starting showing up. So mga kakwento, let me tell you this. Stop treating yourself like an option when you were born to be the choice. In love, in opportunities, in dreams, you are not the backup plan. You are the main character. So if you've been settling, remind yourself, less is for leftovers. And you are the main dish. So own your worth, protect your energy, and step into the life that is meant for you. So mga kakwento, don't forget this. Knowing your worth is not pride. It's respect. It's saying yes to the life that God designed for you and no to the things that shrink you. As you go through this week, I hope you remember boundaries don't push people away. They filter out what doesn't belong. So protect your space, value your time, and keep dreaming bigger. I hope you learned something. Boundaries are not walls. So thank you for spending your time with me tonight, mga kakwento. Let's continue to open our hearts to new possibilities, open our minds to new ways of earning, and open our lives to true freedom. So see you again on my next episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago. My next series will be on Sunday, this coming Sunday. I will not be doing my live streaming tomorrow. So it will be on Sunday, 28th of September. That would be 10 p.m. Philippine time and 10 a.m. in Atlanta, Georgia, with my special guest, teacher originally from the Philippines and now residing in the US of A. So watch for it. So remember, you're not an option. You are the choice. So let's continue to earn smart and live free and grow into the person God created us to be. If you want to learn more, please direct message me or sign up on my website at www.loriramos.com with your name and email, and I will send you the link for the free info session. Good night and God bless us all. Bye-bye.